In the name of Allah, peace be upon you. Welcome to Be With You, Miss Amal Marouf, Future Language School. Now we will start to explain some concepts for science curriculum for third preparatory. I'm very happy to be with you now, and I wish to be happy with me. Let's start. Let's start with final revision on our curriculum. We will start with a very important question. Write suitable word to complete the following sentences. طبعا احنا عارفين ان في الامتحان بتاعنا ده سؤال مهم جدا. Write suitable word or complete. We will start with A. The result of multiplying speed of a moving object by time. This means that speed by time equal distance. As the speed can be defined distance over time. Question number B. Space is defined as the covered distance with a time unit. ده تعريف ايه يا ولاد؟ ده طبعا تعريف للسبيد. السبيد is defined as the covered distance with a time unit. Question number C. I ask you about the measurements units of speed. ايه وحدات القياس بتاعة السبيد؟ Speed measurement units are kilometer per hour, meter per second. Now I will ask you one question. How can we transfer or exchange the measuring unit of speed kilometer per hour to meter per second? ازاي احول من kilometer per hour لمتر per second multiply 5 over 18. طيب to change meter per second to kilometer per hour multiply 18 over 5. Question number D. The result of dividing the total distance that a moving object covers and the time taken to cover this distance. We know that distance can be classified into 4 types: regular speed, irregular speed, average speed, and relative speed. What does this mean? The result of dividing total distance divided total time, it is average speed. After we finish this question, we must know what is the importance of speed in our life. Speed is very important in our life because we must determine the speed which our cars move with it. To move the speed which we must move by it in curved routes, as we must move with certain speed. طبعا أهمية السرعة في حياتنا إن إحنا لازم نحسب سرعة العربيات بتاعتنا وإحنا ماشيين في الطرق المنحنية، لأن إحنا لازم نمشي بسرعة منتظمة أو بسرعة ثابتة.
Things around us move in many different ways. Things can move in a straight line. Things can turn, roll, and bounce. Things also move at different speeds. Speed describes how fast or slow something moves. A running cheetah moves much faster than a crawling turtle. The people kayaking move much slower than the jet skier. We can describe speed using words like fast and slow. We can measure speed too. To calculate speed, you need to know how far an object travelled and the time it took to travel that distance. Let's say a car travels a distance of 60 kilometers in 1 hour. Speed equals distance divided by time. We can find the speed of the car by dividing 60 kilometers by 1 hour. The speed of the car is 60 kilometers per hour. We can also measure speed in meters per second. A sprinter runs a distance of 100 meters in 10 seconds. We can find the speed of the sprinter by dividing 100 meters by 10 seconds. So the speed of the sprinter is 10 meters per second. I'm not quite that fast, but I have to run. See you next time.
Question number 8. The focal length of convex lens equals the distance between space and space. The focal length is the distance between focus and optical center. يبقى focal length of the convex lens equals the distance between focus and optical center. Question number F. The concave lens space the rays falling on it. We know the two types of lens, concave and convex. The concave lens diverges the rays falling on it. What is the meaning of diverge? بتشتت الأشعة أو تفرط الأشعة. يبقى concave lens diverges the rays falling on it. Question number G. The focal length of convex lens equal 10 cm. The half radius of surface is space. What is the relation between focal length and the radius? The radius double the focal length. So the focal length equal half radius. But when I ask you about the half radius equal the focal length. So the answer of this question, the focal length of convex lens equal 10 cm. So the half radius of surface is 10 cm. Question number H. The number of galaxies in the universe is about galaxies. How many galaxies are in the universe? 100,000 million. So the answer of this question, 100,000 million galaxies in our universe. Question number I. Space is the quantity that defines it and is enough to identify magnitude only. What is the physical quantity that can be defined by its magnitude only? That is the meaning of scalar physical quantity. Question number G. Space is the quantity that can be defined by its magnitude and direction. It is the vector physical quantity. Question number T. Space is the covered distance in constant direction, and it is a vector quantity. A distance covered by the object in certain direction is called displacement. Question number I. Space is the value of displacement at unit time, and it is vector quantity. What is the value of displacement at unit time? It is the definition of velocity. Now we will talk about another question. Write a scientific term that corresponds to each of the following statements. Number 1. The distance that a moving object covers within unit time. That is the definition of speed. Number 2. The moving object covers equal distance at equal period of time. When the object covers equal distance in equal intervals of time, that is the definition of regular speed. Total distance that a moving object covers divided total time taken by the object to cover this distance, it is the definition of average speed. Number 4. The value of an object speed determined in a relation to an observer or related to an observer, it is the relative speed. Number 5. It contains all galaxies, stars, and planets and living organisms, that is universe. Number 6. It contains all the stars we see at night in the sky, Milky Way galaxy. It is located in one of the spiral arms of the Milky Way It is the solar system. What is the importance of Unit 3 in our life? We can know the importance of satellites that rotate around the planet to form image about the space and to know some information about weather. Number B, movement is at uniform acceleration if the object speed changes at equal values in equal times intervals, or if distance that the body covers changes at equal value in equal time intervals, or if average speed equals regular speed. When the object moves with uniform acceleration, this means that there is a change in the speed. So the correct answer, if the object speed it changes at equal value in equal times intervals. Question number C. Space is the physical quantity that defined by magnitude and direction. That is the definition of quantity of matter, or scalar quantity, or vector quantity. It is the definition of vector quantity. Question number D. Measurement units of velocity. What is the measuring unit of velocity? Measurement units of velocity, meter dot second or meter per second. Meter per second power 2. The correct answer meter per second. الإجابة الثانية. طيب الquestion number E. Speed measurement units are. What is the measuring unit of speed? The same measuring unit of velocity. Meter dot second, meter per second power 2, meter per second. Question number F. Acceleration measurement units are meter per second, meter dot second, meter per second power 2. The measuring unit of acceleration, meter per second power 2, as it defined as the change in the speed in unit time. Question number G. Displacement is scalar and its unit is meter. Vector and its unit are meter per second. Vector and its unit is meter. This is the correct answer. Vector and its unit is meter.